The date is the 27th of April. Just come home Friday evening. Haven't been very good recently with filming, so I think we may have missed some important stages of the development. But from my understanding, we are nearing completion. Looking very nice, Mother.
The aliens have departed.
The aliens have departed?
Yes. They only left the ring after they went.
Ah.
They're all dangling down here, all looking at me as I came through the door. With their claws out.
So it's really coming together now, isn't it? We're allowed to stand on this blue, obviously.
This is fine, this is fine. They put that because there's going to be so much more movement and dirt and everything, and before they do the final grouting, they didn't want all the dirt to go on it. See the little switches?
Oh, lovely, yeah. And it did fit perfectly?
It fit, yeah. That's it.
Oh, look, you didn't put a little drawer under that for you. Is it? Is it?
It's not a drawer. It's like Gitta. You know, Gitta will be very pleased because when Jussi did the kitchen for her, there was all that empty space. She said, "Oh, why can't I have it?" So he arranged for her to have it. But here we have a problem because we got overlapping. But this one hasn't. So this is the little one we can open up.
Oh, nice.
We can hide things. So I need to tidy clean that up, hoover it all up. And then, you know, who knows? You find something to put in there, and then you just close it back like that. Isn't that good?
Lovely.
We had a mega problem here. This was leaking, and I don't really know. I was so angry because we never had any problem with this window.
Yeah.
We never had any leak here. So where did the leak come from? We discovered he then went up. He took your stepladder.
Okay.
Yeah. He went right up. He pulled all the things down.
Yeah.
And the bottom one here, like a meter of rubble and dirt inside it. So when it was a heavy rain, it filled up the water right to the top, and then of course it skirted all out. And then it came through the top here. I was lucky enough to see it actually, because we could see that water was here, but we couldn't identify where it came from. And then I came here, and it was squirting from there. So he's, you know, done all the work now. We're just waiting to see this needs to dry up here.
So you worked out it came from the drain pipe, which had got full of building rubble?
That's right,
okay, which I think is reasonable considering.
It is reasonable, I mean they've been there for quite a long time. So that's it. And then yesterday I had went and got an estimate because when it started a few days ago, to have a new window, because we thought it's a window. £700 plus 20% VAT, so nearly £1,000 or £800.
I don't think so.
So I think I leave that for the moment. So that's it. That's it.
There's still work to be done.
But
the kitchen is...
That's right. So he's going to finish the kitchen, and then he's going to go away for 2 weeks. Well, it doesn't matter then, you know, because we never had a shower here before. And I can use the washing machine and the toilet. So I'm not punishing him for not doing that. This one should work. Oh, what's that?
Bit of plastic, probably not a good idea.
Not a good idea. I have to learn this now, how to do it. There you are.
Lovely.
So I can have Tanya to initiate it.
Christening.
Christening, yes. I like this.
Good. Is it working? Not yet. No. Electric.
Yeah, electric. You switch it off from there.